RPET purity 98%. Intrinsic viscosity restored. Blending with virgin at 30%. Loop closed.
Batch verified. Send to silo 3.
Batch verified. Send to silo 3.
Batch 47, clear, no contamination.
Viscosity within spec. Proceed to drying. Melt temperature stable. Inject.
Dew point stable.
Start preheat cycle.
Cycle time 2.7 seconds. All cavities full.
Cycle time 2.7 seconds. All cavities full.
Surface clarity good.
Temperature dropping evenly.
Neck ring distortion detected. Adjust sensitivity.
Surface temperature 110 degrees. Ready for blow molding.
Surface temperature 110 degrees. Ready for blow molding.
Mold temperature uniform. Air pressure at 40 bar.
Blow pressure stable. Wall thickness uniform.
Core temperature reached. Surface stable. Send to labeling.
Reject rate 0.3%. Calibration within tolerance.
Thread pitch perfect. Tool wear within range.
Static neutralized. Particle count 0.
Roll 8872 confirmed. Send to printer 3.
Cyan density holding. Registration within 0.1 millimeter. Coating thickness 12 microns. Drying temperature 105 degrees. Red batch 41 confirmed. Transferring to silo 4. Cavity fill complete. Cycle time 2.4 seconds. Thread profile intolerance.
Orientation rate 100%.
Thread pitch deviation detected. Reject rate 0.1%. Auto line speed matching cap line. Merge alignment confirmed. Line 3 at 9,200 units per hour. Batch complete in 4 minutes. Tunnel temperature 160 degrees. Film tension stable.
Exit temperature 140 degrees. Shrink uniform across all packs. Layer pattern confirmed. Case fill rate 98 cases per minute. Layer pattern complete. Pallet height within spec. Send to wrapper.
Pallet 1739 wrapped. Film tension nominal. Send to staging.
Aisle 7 retrieve. Pallet 4201 to staging lane 3.
Trailer 882 confirmed. Pallet count 54 of 54. Send BOL to dispatch.
Container MSCU 742-1 confirmed. Seal intact. Release to rail siding.
Pallet 5592 routed to Export Zone C. ETA 3 minutes. Shipment 2294 verified. Bottle lot approved for filling line 3. UV dose verified. Particle count 0. Sterility confirmed. Proceed to fill. Rinse cycle confirmed. Water purity within spec. Proceed to fill.
Bricks at 11.2. Temperature 4 degrees Celsius. Blend stable. Transfer to filler.
Fill level uniform across all heads. Flow rate nominal.
COET volume at 4.0. Temperature holding at 2 degrees Celsius. Saturation stable. Send to filler.
Torque at 12 inch-pounds. Seal integrity confirmed. Reject rate 0.05%.
Tamper band gap within spec. Fill volume nominal. Seal integrity confirmed. Reject rate 0.02%. Label seam within 0.5 millimeters. Print registration perfect. Reject rate 0.03%.
Batch code 25142 verified. Contrast acceptable. Laser power nominal.
Multi-pack configuration verified. Tunnel temperature 170 degrees. Shrink uniform across all packs. Retail case pattern confirmed. Case fill rate 60 cases per minute. Seal integrity verified.
Aisle B retrieve. Pallet 7712 to shipping lane 4. Order complete.
Diet Cola, back row, facing out. Water 12 packs, top shelf.
Do we need seltzer?
Grab the 2-liter.
That'll be $4.95. Card or cash? Card or cash? Have a good one.